Hi, future teacher, and welcome to your Praxis 7001 Test Prep Overview. This video is proudly presented by TeacherPreps.com. If you're taking the newer Elementary Education Multiple Subjects exam, this comprehensive overview will help you prepare. Let's break it down. The Praxis 7001 is the updated Elementary Education Multiple Subjects exam that's replacing Praxis 5001 in many states. It includes a more detailed teaching reading subtest and covers all 4 core content areas. You must pass all 4 subtests. Here's the format. The Praxis 7001 has 225 total questions across 4 subtests. Teaching reading has 80 questions, mathematics has 40, social studies has 55, and science has 50. All questions are selected response or numeric entry. You have 4 hours and 55 minutes total. Teaching reading gets 110 minutes, while mathematics, social studies, and science each get 55 minutes. Plan your pacing for each section. Each subtest has its own passing score that varies by state, typically ranging from 129 to 144. You must pass all 4 subtests to pass the overall exam. Check your state's requirements. The exam costs $220. This is higher than Praxis 5001 due to the updated teaching reading component. Let's break down each subtest. Teaching reading, code 7002, is the largest section with 80 questions in 110 minutes. It covers the 5 key elements of reading instruction: phonemic awareness, phonics, vocabulary, fluency, and comprehension. Mathematics, code 7003, has 40 questions in 55 minutes. Topics include number operations, fractions, decimals, geometry, measurement, and algebraic thinking. Social Studies, code 7004, has 55 questions in 55 minutes. Content covers U.S. and world history, geography, government structures, and economic principles. Science, code 7005, has 50 questions in 55 minutes. This covers physical science, life science, earth science, and the scientific method. Here's your study strategy. The teaching reading subtest is the largest and most detailed, so give it significant attention. Focus on the 5 pillars of reading instruction. Then prepare for the remaining 3 content areas. Let's recap. The Praxis 7001 has 225 questions across 4 subtests in nearly 5 hours. Pass each subtest separately. Master teaching reading, math, social studies, and science. For comprehensive study guides and practice tests, visit TeacherPreps.com. Good luck on your exam. Future teacher, you've got this.